Hi, I'm Alex Landau, CEO and co-founder of Click Solar. I apologize for the terrible webcam quality, but it's the best I got, so let's give it a shot. Click Solar is web-based software that empowers solar professionals to discover the costs and benefits of going solar for their customers quickly and more accurately than ever before. As you drag and drop solar panels onto a satellite image of your customer's home, QuickSolar performs all the necessary calculations to simultaneously show you exactly what the system's going to produce, what it's going to save them, what their tax credits are, net cost, years to break even, environmental impact, and more. As a SaaS suite of pro tools, solar professionals can instantly generate a graphic-rich proposal for their customers and save thousands of dollars on costs related to customer acquisition. While as a free and engaging lead gen tool in the future, we'll connect homeowners with solar professionals that can help them go solar, as well as non-solar industry professionals with certified installers. Last year, we had the opportunity to participate at SPI Startup Alley, and it was an incredible experience for us that really helped put us on the map. At the time, we were pre-revenue and pre-launch, a couple of guys with a great idea and a working commercial prototype. We weren't able to sign up users on the spot because we were in development, but we amassed an impressive mailing list and raised lots of eyebrows. Hundreds of people approached us throughout the show saying, "Hey, I heard about you guys. What is this drag and drop solar thing you got going on?" Now we're fully live with a fully functional website, and we can follow up by showing how much we've improved. Users are now able to create quick and easy solar designs, save them for future editing, generate proposals instantly, and save projects on the fly. The early bugs have been worked out, and we've gotten over 170 early users providing great validation and really helpful feedback on how we can improve. Best of all, we can now sign up users on the spot during the SPI and do live demos. SPI could really help launch us into the solar mainstream so we can finally start getting some real traction. Startup Alley, we need your help again, and we want the opportunity to show you how much we've improved, what secrets we have in store, and how we're ready to completely revolutionize the solar sales process. Thank you very much.